everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel, and of course welcome to Diwalog 2018. Now before I start talking about today's video, I want to let you guys know that everything that I'm wearing, like right from my hair accessory, my lipstick to my top, everything is going to be linked in the description box below, because I do know you guys have a lot of questions about the backdrop and everything, and I will make sure to link everything in the description box below from today's video. Also, what do you guys think of my travel theme backdrop for the travel video? I got this new tapestry from Shein. We'll link that as well in the description box below. But let's just get started with today's video. If you've read the title, you know I'm going to be sharing with you a few travel tips and tricks. I'm quite fortunate to say that I'm a regular traveler, and by traveling all of these years, I've learned quite a few hacks, and I'm going to be sharing with you those in today's video. Hack number 1 might sound really obvious if you travel quite a lot, but if it's your first time traveling by a flight especially, this is how you can save some money on buying water. So all you really need to do is just carry empty water bottles. I like to carry 2 water bottles on me. I like to carry it empty because they're gonna make you empty the water bottles anyway during security. And once you're done with your security and you've actually entered the airport, you can fill these empty water bottles using the water fountains that they have, and you don't need to buy water bottles. So you're not contributing to buying more plastic, and at the same time you're saving some money. Hack number 2 is again related to flights. So there's this really cool website which is called the Sky Scanner. It's like the Trivago or Booking.com for flights. So basically it just combines all the prices that different websites have and shows you the minimum cost of a flight. So definitely check it out. I will link it in the description box below. Hack number 3 is kind of like a fashion travel life hack. So basically when I'm traveling, I like to wear a tracksuit. So what a tracksuit is, it's basically kind of like a matching top and pants. So it's really convenient and comfortable. It doesn't matter how you're traveling, by train, flight. Even when I went to Goa, I was traveling by train and I was still wearing a tracksuit. But that's not the life hack that I have for you guys. So if you don't want to wear tracks, what you can do is you can wear a hoodie. So what I like to do, I think I'll just demonstrate what I like to do. So basically here's a hoodie. This is actually the hoodie that I was wearing in my last video, and a lot of you guys asked me where it's from. It's from Shein. But I like to wear hoodies all the time when I'm traveling because of this reason. So this is how everyone wears a hoodie, right? That's how I wear it too, obviously. But when I'm about to go to sleep, either on a flight, train, anywhere or anyhow I'm traveling, what I like to do is I like to wear it reverse. So basically just flip the thing around and you have the hoodie part ahead of you. So when I'm sleeping, I like to put my eye mask on and then just put this on my head. So it blocks out all the light and I'm able to sleep a lot more comfortably. I know this sounds so stupid, but it works. I do it every single time. If you ever happen to do it, do let me know how it works for you. The next life hack is again kind of fashion related. So while traveling, I make sure to carry a backpack, and this is the new backpack that I've been using recently and I am obsessed with it, simply because it has so many zips and just so many different compartments, and I travel with my laptop, my cameras, and this is the perfect bag. And I will link it in the description box below. So personally, I feel it's a lot more convenient and comfortable to travel with a backpack rather than a purse. But of course that's your personal choice. But one thing that I would highly recommend you guys to have is a fanny pack. So I have quite a few fanny packs. This is the biggest one that I have, and I would recommend this specific one to you guys because it fits all your boarding pass. But let me explain why you need to have a fanny pack. So basically, if you have no idea what a fanny pack is, it kind of latches onto your waist, and you can put all your documents in here. So your passport, your boarding pass, all the other documents that you need, and they're right here on your waist. So last year when I was traveling to Bali all by myself, I hadn't discovered this fanny pack hack. So I had to again and again reach out to my backpack and pull the documents out, because you need to do that literally every 15 minutes. So this is so much more convenient and I've been loving doing this. I will link this specific bag in the description box below as well. Let's get to life hack number 5. When you're traveling by a flight and you're checking in your baggage, make sure to ask the people working there to add a fragile sticker. Now there are 3 reasons why you should do this. First of all, of course, your bag will be handled at least a little bit better than if you wouldn't have applied the fragile sticker. The second reason is that your bag will be like on top of the pile as compared to like the other bag. And the third reason is that you will get your bag first. Once you've landed and you're trying to find your bag on the conveyor belt, your bag will most probably be like the first one to come out. The next hack is a packing hack, and I want to give full credits to the Bruce Passport. So if you have no idea who they are, I will link them in the description box below. But they would always talk about packing cubes, and I never really quite understood what that meant until I tried like researching on them hardcore, and I found like a pack of 6 packing cubes on Shein.com. So basically what packing cubes are, they're basically kind of like dividers or segregators that you put inside your baggage. So essentially they're like a bunch of pouches in which you can really segregate. So for example, this bigger one, I could put all of my jeans in. A little bit smaller, I could put my tops, and you get the drift basically. If you don't want to buy these packing cubes, you could of course just put everything in like individual bags, plastic bags or cloth bags. It does the same job really. But these are really cute. They came in a pack of 6. We'll link these in the description box below. But one more thing that really helps with packing is having a bunch of pouches. You can get just pouches from anywhere. I will insert like some of my favorites right here. This one is from Rue. I will link their Instagram in the description box below. And this is another pouch that I love. This is waterproof and it's perfect for your electronics. So I like to store all of my hard disks, my SD cards, cables in this particular pouch. Let's move on to the next hack. Now I know you get those tiny plastic bottles everywhere really, DMart, Amazon, Shein, everywhere, where you can like transfer your shampoo, conditioner and all of that into tiny bottles. I personally don't like doing that. I just like to buy like a travel size of the actual product. But that's not the hack. What I would really encourage you guys to do is just grab some sellotape and just really package it properly. Just make like a good seal. Especially if you're going to be traveling by flights, you must do this, because there have been so many different times when I have gotten lazy and I didn't pack my stuff with sellotape. And because of the pressure difference in the flight, I guess my like bottles exploded all over my clothes. So of course you don't want to have that, and make sure to carry that sellotape with you so that when you're coming back you seal them again. And the last travel hack is especially for all you girls. Now I know during traveling peeing is such a hassle, especially if you're going to be traveling by trains. I try to like not pee at all, but of course that's not very good for you. So one thing that I've discovered and been loving is a urination device for females. It's by this brand called Pee Buddy. I will link it in the description box below. I got it from Amazon. So basically they're kind of like funnels and they're urination device so that you can pee standing up and you don't have to squat. They're disposable and they come in a pack of 20. So I make sure to have like 1 or 2 in like even my everyday purse, because I know I'm going to be traveling outside and I might have to use the public restroom. So this really helps. If you take away just one thing from the entire video, I would say take away this and buy these for sure. And yeah, those were some of my travel hacks. I really hope you guys enjoyed and of course found it helpful. And do let me know what you guys think of my setup. I've been really trying to switch things up and just really up my production quality. So do let me know what you guys think. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.